Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing another lipstick swatching video. Today I'm going to be swatching the Nicka K whipped lip glosses. I picked up 5 different shades and I did pick these up from ikhouse.com and they do retail for $2.99. As with all of my lipstick swatching videos, I'm going to come to you guys with clean exfoliated lips. I'm going to make sure that I have all the names at the bottom of the screen, and then I'll come to you guys at the very end with all of my questions, comments, concerns. Yeah. At the very end. That's repetitive. I always do this. Oh my goodness. So just to show you guys, this is what the container looks like. Of course, it has the name Nicka K, and then it says whipped lip gloss, and then at the top it has this black tubing that leads to the applicator, and it has this wide spatula type of applicator.
I'm relying on your love, and can you let me some, so that if I'm left with nothing at the bottom, you can be the one to come and help me up. You're the one that got responding to the calling. When my heart is heavy, you are sure you to hold tight. Hard to belly all the good in the cold times, so keep me warm before the freeze of the night grows. Body heat to more degrees if we like close. I know you know I got needs and you solve them. Through it all, you'll be there pulling for me, yeah. And when I'm caught up all deep in my problems, you of all people care someone I need. If I'm running thin on my luck and falling so behind, I will need your love. So I'm holding on to you.
So you guys, those are all 5 of the swatches. Just to go ahead and get into my notes, with all of the lipsticks, 1 coat was sufficient. They were all opaque, and typically with lip glosses, the reason why I do stray away from them is because of that super sticky texture and because they're all pretty much translucent. So I don't like paying money for something that's still gonna show through and I have to apply multiple layers and it just looks bad. So overall, 1 coat was good. They were all opaque and they were all very, very pigmented. One thing that I would strongly recommend against is blotting your lips. When I did blot my lips, then it was coming off in patches, just chunks, like peeling off like stickers. So I definitely would not recommend blotting your lips at all. Between Cordovan and Redwood, those two look almost identical. Cordovan was just a little more red. Russet did have more of a tacky texture. The other two, they were like a gloss. They weren't sticky, more of a watery consistency. Vivid Burgundy and Seal Brown, those two had more of a matte texture. I let them sit and they were drying almost completely matte. Vivid Burgundy was my favorite out of all of the shades. However, I just couldn't get past that patchiness and peeling because I do have the bad habit of blotting my lips. I don't wear lipstick all the time, so like when I'm like wearing like Vaseline or something on my lips, then I do have the bad habit of just blotting my lips together, making sure like there's no crusting or flaking or anything like that. Overall, I do think that these are at a good price point. However, like I said, I cannot get past that peeling just because that's a habit of mine. So if you're somebody who has, I guess, more self-control than me, definitely I would say that these are some lip glosses that you guys should check out. They're not like the typical lip gloss. So if you are like me and you don't like typical lip gloss, it's like kind of an in-between of a lip gloss and a matte lipstick, if that makes any sense. These were just okay for me for the simple fact, I keep going back to this, the crumbling factor. They're not going to be long wear, and I do like long wear lip products, something I can put on and forget about it. So that is all that I have for you guys. As always, I hope that you guys found this really helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, if you liked a particular color, let me know down in the comment section below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
'Cause you're doing what you're doing just to get to where you're going, and I see it, baby. Ain't too many of us gonna have